Hey everybody, this is Jessica, and today I'm going to be unboxing the May 2020 Mix Me Inspired box. So here's the insert. It talks about what's inside the box and also gives you an exclusive discount to the Junction store. So the first product we're seeing here is the Distress Grit Paste in translucent, and then a bottle of the Dina Wakley Media Gel Medium, two different colors of Distress crayons. Then we have a box of 12 glass and metal rimmed brads, and these brads feature designs of nature and outdoors. And then we have lots of different prints, and these are all laser printed, so they will work for image transfers or different things. These are all photographs that I've either taken myself or I collected from my art or different places. Then there's the button of the month, and this is a flower. And then there's acorn metal gems or charms. A package of chipboard greetings, and these all break apart really easily, so you can glue them on individually. And then a sheet of rice paper in this coastal wood theme. And that is the contents of the May 2020 Mix Me Inspired box from Junction. I can't wait to see what you guys create with the supplies in this box. And if you'd like to learn about how you can get this box for yourself, check out the description. I'll put links to all that information. Have a wonderful day, and can't wait to see what you create.